So we bought this Kenmore Featherlite lift up. Worked great. Bought it October 23. It's now November 24. And I go to turn it on. The motor doesn't work. The lights work. Turn on the brushes. The brushes work, but there's no suction in the motor at all. Motor's completely dead. Do not recommend this. It only lasts a year. Find something else.
So I use a size 7 slider shoes. Yes, they're cute little sharks. And my kitchen table, which my kitchen's a wreck, so everything's on top of the table. We're redoing the kitchen. To show you how small it is, it works very well. It works very well, but it's small. So I expected it to be a regular size vacuum, and it's not.
Complete and utter joke. Look at that.